Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel, I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today, I'd like to give you another Spreadshirt update, and the reason for that is that I've sold my first design on Spreadshirt Europe with one of the graphics of the All American Graphics website. So last week, I made a video on All American Graphics, which is a website where you can download, basically American-style USA flag graphics, backgrounds and images, which you can then specifically use for print on demand. And the specific advantage is that, well, first of all the designs look good, but then the other advantage is that obviously you can add your text to it as you want to and make the designs your own. But the main advantage is that you can, even after your subscription period, you can continue to use the designs that you have downloaded. So you can continue to download all the graphics that you download within your subscription period for a lifetime. And that is just amazing, and not many websites do that. And especially, I looked at Threadbasket, which is another similar website, where they also offer you graphics to download, and you have to subscribe, and then you can download them and you can use them for a lifetime. But the problem with Threadbasket is that they limit the number of designs you can download per month, I think to 50 or so. And the price is really high. I think they charge around, I didn't look it up again, but it's around $30 per month or so, maybe even more. And you can only download, I think, like around 50 graphics per month. So it's not great. It's not great. And they look good, but it's very expensive. Now, All American Graphics, you can get the membership. It's an annual membership, but you can, for 1 year access, you have to pay only $19.99, and the price is really, really good. And well, the reason I do this video obviously is because I made my first sale now with one of their graphics, and that happened after just a week. So I uploaded this design a week ago, or maybe even less than a week ago, because I only registered with them last week. And after just a week, I sold my first design. I think this is really good because, my earnings are now, in this case, as you can see here, it's only 85 UK pence, but that's because it's a sticker. But, if I have to, I only have to sell maybe, a few t-shirts or a few hoodies or so with that design. And then the membership is paid for itself. And as I said, you can use it for a lifetime. And then for just $19.99 subscription period, I think it's a no-brainer, especially if you want designs that not many people use. Definitely have a look at it. So I don't really show you the entire design or the complete design that I've made, but I'll show you which of the All American Graphics design graphics work for me. So this is the very first one that I downloaded and uploaded to Spreadshirt, and this is sold. Obviously, I've added my own text to it to make it a sub niche of canoeing, but I think it's actually a kayak with a double pedal here. So I was surprised that this one sold actually on the European marketplace, because I sold it to Denmark. I would have thought that it would sell easily on the American marketplace, but no, actually the first one that I sold was on the European marketplace. So quite interesting. So I make this video just to show you that it works. All you have to do, honestly, download these graphics here, and they've got hundreds on their website. Add a few text, and you can just use that one that I've just shown you, and you could create a sub niche for a grandpa who does canoeing or kayaking, a brother, a father, a husband. Even if you go into like a firefighter who loves kayaking or something like that, and you can create nearly unlimited designs with just one graphic. And the great thing with these is because they're round, you can very nicely have a round curved style text around it, and then maybe something below. And this creates you don't even need a minute to create that design. You can download it, upload it, and they will sell. This one sold after just a week, and I haven't done anything special, or it's not a super crazy design. It's just that their graphics are quite good. And so I think, it will pay for itself easily, especially because I upload to all the other, print-on-demand websites which are out there. And as you can see here, they've got really nice designs. Just want to, reinforce that message. And then it's for $19.99 at the moment. It seems like they are going to increase the price, but then to be honest, they said that last week already. But yeah, it looks like at some point a price increase is coming. Now, very similar to that, and I showed you before as well, is All Sunsets. So All Sunsets is very similar, but it is more retro vintage, whereas All American Graphics is really patriotic US designs, but All Sunsets is a very similar style website. It's actually for the same people, and you can also use the designs a lifetime, and it also only costs $19.99. And the designs are more, it's basically everything. It's, you've got mountains, so you can do something for people who love hiking. They've got some Bigfoots here. They've got designs for fishing. They create designs for Christmas and everything. And also they've got hundreds of designs on this website. So again, just a motivational video, just to show you it works. And yeah, for that price at the moment, I mean, for $47, it might be something different. But for $19.99, I wouldn't think twice about it. Just have a look. And yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.